Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you how you guys can delete the Threads app on your iPhone. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I will show you. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. And do not worry about it, today's video is not on deleting your Threads account. It's on deleting your Threads app. So after you delete your Threads app, if you want to use your account again, you can simply just download the app in the future and re-log in into your old account again with no data loss and nothing happening. We are just deleting the app, so you don't have to worry about it, alright? So let me show you how to do that. First thing, just close your Threads app like this. After you close your Threads app, find your Threads, logo on your iPhone. If you don't see it, you can just always search for it on your app library, like just type THREADS and it'll show up. Once it shows up over here, you can just hold on the icon like this. And it's going to give you two options, share app, delete app. So we want to delete the app, so we will click on delete app. And it's going to say deleting this app will delete its data. But don't worry, if you know your account's data, you can re-log in into it again and recover it. Click on delete. And as you guys can see now, my thread has been deleted. The icon has been removed from my iPhone. Now I can go back to App Store and re-download it anytime in the future if I want to again use it, alright? So that's how you guys can delete Threads app on your iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.